Want to create professional and interactive presentations without starting from a blank page? AhaSlides templates can help you build engaging presentations in minutes. Whether you're preparing for a class, meeting, workshop, quiz, or event, templates can save a lot of time. In this guide, I'll show you how to use AhaSlides templates in 2026. First, sign in to your AhaSlides account and open your dashboard. From here, you can access the template library and start building a presentation. Look for the templates section in the dashboard. This library contains ready-made presentation designs for different use cases and industries. Explore the available templates and choose one that matches your goals. You might find templates for quizzes, team meetings, classroom lessons, surveys, brainstorming sessions, and more. Once you find a template you like, open the preview and select the option to use it. The template will be copied into your account so you can customize it. Replace the sample content with your own text, images, questions, branding, and presentation materials. Feel free to add or remove slides as needed. Enhance the template by adding polls, quizzes, word clouds, question and answer slides, or brainstorming activities. These features can make your presentation even more engaging. Before presenting, preview the finished presentation to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, launch the presentation and start engaging your audience. And that's how to use AhaSlides templates in 2026. Templates are a great way to save time, improve presentation quality, and create interactive experiences faster. So explore the template library and find one that fits your next presentation. Thanks for watching.